Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing the ways to collaborate on Instagram. So in order to collaborate on Instagram, all you have to do is make sure that you have an Instagram account, and after you're logged into your Instagram account, it's going to take you to the home page. While you're on this page, go ahead and tap the plus icon from the bottom of your screen, and here you need to go ahead and post the particular content that you wish to invite a collaborator or that you wish to collaborate with. After you're done selecting the particular content or the post, tap the next button. On the other page, you need to go ahead and select all of the information, and if you're sure about it, tap the next button. On the other interface, you'll be able to see some sort of information such as this, and here you can go ahead and add a caption, tag people, audience. So after that, it's going to take you to the last interface where you can go ahead and add captions, add location, tag people and audience, all sort of thing. And to invite collaborator, you need to go to tag people, and here go ahead and tap on invite collaborator. After that, you need to type in the username, so go ahead and type in whatever sort of information that you have, and once you've done that, you need to go ahead and select the particular collaborator. Now tap the tick icon from the top right, and here tap the share button. As soon as you do that, you've successfully collaborated on Instagram or invited a collaborator on Instagram. In this way, you can collaborate on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.